Students, today we are going to solve the second exercise, that is 12.2 NCERT of exponent and question. It asks for express the following numbers in standard form. I do believe you know what is actually standard form. Standard form, I am just once again I am just telling you. If suppose any number is m into a 10 to the power n, a must be greater than equal to 1, less than 10, and 8 may be any negative number or positive number. What does it mean? Suppose it is given, you have to just write it down in the standard form. See here, that is 11 zeros are there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 zeros, and there are two other places also there, that is totally 13 places after decimal. And this is coming actually 10 to the power 13. And here it is given the condition is m should be greater than equal to 1, less than 10. That is, it must not be 85, it should be less than 10, means that is a point will be coming over here. So if this point is coming over here, then we are just doing, that is 1 point, it is multiplied over here, that is 8.5. 8.5 into 10 is actually, this is coming 85, and this is another is 10 to the power minus, 13 is there, that is divide. So it will be 8.5 into 1 is actually 1 minus 13 equal to minus 12, and this is actually the standard form of this. In this way, here there are 14 digits are there after decimal. So 942 divided by 10 to the power 14. So it is coming 9.2 into 100, that is actually 942. So it will be less than 10. So we are just keeping like this, 9.42 into, that is, this is minus, this is 14 is there, this is divided, and this is 10 square means plus 2, 10 square plus 2. So 14 plus 2 minus 14, it is actually minus 12. So this is actually 9.42 into 10 to the power minus 12. In this way, here is another number 602, and this is 15 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yes, 13 zeros are there. That is 602 into 10 to the power 13, and it is just 6.02 into 10 square, that is 10 square into 100, that is 6.02. It will be converted into, it will be 602, and this 2 plus 13, it is coming 15. So 6.02 into 10 to the power 15 is actually the standard form of this number. Actually, why we are just making this, or just it is required to just make it as a standard form, because it is a very large number. It is very difficult to just write it down, and also maybe the numbers of the zeros, it may also just, we are just doing some mistake. For this reason, it is actually very much, it will be very much valid for if we are just putting this type of number in a very large number within this standard form. Standard form is actually used for very large number. Now, this is from the usual form. This is the usual form. Usually we are just doing this, or the writing the number. That is conversion of usual form to standard form. Now this number 2 is actually the just reverse. That is, express the following numbers in the usual form. That is, standard form is given. Then we have to find out what is actually the number in the usual form. So we have already shown, that is, this is there. That is 3.023 into 10 to the 20, 10 to the minus 6, 3.023 into, this is point, we are just wipe out this with the help of 1, and 2 digits are there, 2 zeros are there. So this is 100, that is 10 square. It is here minus, that is 10 to the power 6. So it is coming 2 plus 6, that is coming 8, 10 to the power 8. That is 302 divided by 10 to the power 8 is, that is the after decimal, the number will be 8 digits over here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So from here to this decimal number, it should be number of digits will be 8. So it is coming 0.0000302. In this way, this standard form is also can be converted like this. That is 4.5 means here point was there, point is cutted off and 1 has come, and this is actually coming 1 digit, that is 10. So it is divide, so it will be divided, that is it will be minus 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So 4.445 into 10 to the power 3, it is actually 4530. Now 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. The same way, minus 8 means 3 by 10 to the power 8, and 10 to the power 8 you know, that is 1, after 1 8 zeros are there, then 8, that is the 8 decimal place, it will be just come from this end, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this decimal point will be in 8 position, and this is actually the usual form. And this is 3.6142492 into 10 to the power 6. This decimal will be shifted from this to this, it is into, so this is 6 places numbered, this decimal will be shifted from here, that is here 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, another number is not there, then we are just putting over here 0. So this is the usual form of this standard format. Number 3 1, it is also given, just express this in the standard form, 1 micron. We are actually, this is a unit of a length, that is 1 micron. 1 micron is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 6 meter. So 10 to the power 6 means after 1 there are 6 zeros. So 1 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is 1.0 we can just put, or 1 into 10 to the power minus 6. That there are 6 numbers of zeros are there. So this is 1.0 into 10 to the power 6 meter, that is 1 micron equal to this. Now change the charge of an electron is given. See the charge of an electron, how the number is so small, and if at a standard form is actually used to just express a very small number or very big number. See here the charge of an electron is given. After point there are 20 places are there after decimal. So 16 to the power 16 by 10 to the power 20 numbers are there here. So 16 we can just write it down, 1.6 into 10, that is 10 to the power minus 20. So 1 it is added, then it will be 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb. So 1, that is electron, charge of 1 electron, it will be precisely, this is the standard form of this coulomb. Now size of a plant cell, you can understand that one, plant cell is very small, so we are using this standard form, that is 0.1234, 4 zeros and 1275. It is actually the in meter is given. So this number can be expressed in the form of 1275 into 8, after decimal 8 digits are there. So standard format is 1.275 into, it is coming 1000, because these 3 points will be just it will be shifted from this to this, and this is 3 plus and 8 minus, it has come 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Now number 4, in a stack there are 5 books, each of 20 millimeter thickness. 5 books are there in a stack, and 5 sheets each of 0.016 millimeter thick. This is the total thickness of the stack. Solution: thickness of 5 books, it will be, each book is 20 millimeter, that is 5 into 20, that is 100 millimeter, 5 books, and thickness of 5 sheets will be 5 into 1 sheet is equal to 0.16, that is it is coming 0.80, that is 80 millimeter. Now the total thickness of the stack will be, this is just added, this is 100.08, after this 0 there is no any value over there. So we are now shifting this point here to here, that is it is actually just multiplied by 10 square. 10 square means two decimals place it will be shifted from right to left. So it is coming 1.008 into 10 to the power 2, and this is your millimeter. This is the answer. Thank you very much.